Hey everybody, welcome back to our homestead. We have to have a very serious talk today because many of you are just not ready. I'm sorry I have to say that, but it's true. Many of you who want to start this lifestyle aren't ready at all. And what I mean by that is what's coming is not going to be pretty at all. Not only what's coming to our country, but what's coming to the world. So it's only a starting point to plant a garden or to even move out of the city and buy a country homestead. It's only a starting point to buy a bug out bag and stock it with the right things. It's only a starting point to start canning or maybe stockpiling canned foods. That's only a starting point. So I'm really talking to you beginning homesteaders and those of you who are thinking about this type of lifestyle. The mental dedication that it takes to do this is huge. So here are a couple of examples. Are you mentally prepared to not be able to go to the store? Are you mentally prepared to have to come out to the garden every day for your food and maybe couple that with something you've stored up? Are you prepared in a tougher time to only eat, say, Chinese cabbage and carrots for weeks on end? If you're not prepared for that, then you're not ready. Are you prepared to work all day and night, spring and summer, for one crop that may get wiped out by one bug in one night? You need to mentally prepare for that. Are you mentally prepared to plant an entire orchard only to have it not produce for you the next year because you didn't get enough chill hours for all of your trees? Even though you planted trees that are perfect for your area, you need to be mentally prepared for that. Are you prepared for your entire flock of chickens, which you rely on to help feed your family? Are you prepared for them to get wiped out in one night? You're not prepared. Now this last part is for my Christian friends, and that is you need to be prepared for the tribulation that will come. Now, a lot of people misinterpret the Bible and they don't study it for themselves. They only listen to pastors. That's a mistake. You need to study it for yourself. Not read it, study it. It's the Word of God. He gave it to you. And what I'm talking about is the tribulation in the end times, which I think we're in, and that God will bring you through the tribulation, not take you apart from it where it doesn't affect you. He will bring you through it. So, if you keep your eyes focused on Him, the tribulation will be all around you, and it may affect you a little bit. But if you keep your eyes focused on Him, then you will be safe. And I want you to remember that the Bible tells us that in the end times, the troubles will be worse than in Noah's day. Worse than when just 8 people were saved on the ark. After Noah preached for 120 years, and Noah had help working on the ark from other people around. Only 8 people got in that ark. That's a small number. And the Bible tells us it will be a small number at the end of time as well. Not just 8 people, but He said the path is narrow. So brothers and sisters, remember the Bible in Revelation tells us that those who keep the commandments of God will not be allowed to buy or sell. You not only need to physically prepare for that, but you need to mentally prepare for that. And increase your faith. Have the faith of Jesus. So friends, I want you to remember that it's not all physical preparation. A lot of it is mental. A lot of it's going to be mental. Even if you are completely physically prepared for every eventual thing that you think, it's still going to be mental in the end. And it's going to require great faith. We love you. Now go check out these videos right here, which is our complete playlist on how to garden. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye.